Okay guys, this is insanely weird. So I'm here, but every single one of these garages has a one fire alarm, one strobe electric horn. Now, if one of these, imagine how loud all these fire alarms are gonna be if this complex was on fire. Like, if you can literally look down, all of these garages have alarms on them. This is crazy. We are at some kind of apartment complex. I don't know where I am at, but every single one of these garages have. Oh yeah, by the way, you're looking at a Balin's alarm video right now. Balin's alarm video, and like it goes down all the way. Like I can literally turn my camera all day long walking down here, and I wouldn't be surprised if I found at least one bell at the end, at least like a simplex bell or something. But no, all like this one has like a little bit of rust, some water in the strobe. Like all of these garages have some kind of alarm on them above them. Now if this complex is on fire, Shufia is allowed. I don't know that for a fact, but like I can just walk down here for days looking at these alarms. This is crazy, dude. If there's one crazy thing I've seen in my life, it would be these alarms, like, straight in a row. And not only are they, like, perfectly lined up, they're also, like, can you imagine how long it took to make, like, if you need, like, the maintenance on all these alarms must be insane. Get close to one for you guys. Let's see, I'm really maintenance these dudes. Oh yeah, let's mention one at the very end. Okay, this is my second video for posted today. I'll be right back, guys.